Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you how you can fix Dota 2 crash on startup PC. It's kind of annoying, it's super annoying in fact, because you just can't play the game. So I hope guys in this video I'll help you. Make sure you follow along with me. Make sure you try all the methods I'm gonna show in this video. I can't guarantee which one will work. Can't guarantee at all actually if it will work, because I'll just share with you what worked for me. So I hope it's gonna work for you as well. And now let's jump right into the video. So to fix start crashing on startup usually is related to your graphic card. At least that's what I've learned. That's what I know. Now I might be wrong, but I'm not an expert by any means. But that's what can I tell you. That's what I can tell you from my own experience. So what you can do is let's head over to graphics settings, and here make sure you set your game and click on option. Make sure you set the game to high performance. Alright, look there in that list and set the game to high performance, and also as well as to go to Windows Update and update your Windows. Make sure you're doing that. A lot of people are just they just forget or just leaving there, laws all updated one day. But make sure you update Windows. Sometimes there can have some buggy updates, but sometimes usually it's wait couple after Windows released an update, wait couple of weeks and then install, or even more, just depends, but usually is important. As well as go to driver updates here and check all of this updates here, driver updates, and make sure you click on download and install. This for me this list was just huge. A lot of updates were just waiting for me to download and install. So make sure you're doing that, and also go to this link I'll leave in the description of this video and click on Microsoft Visual here. Click on this download button and this will install. This is what you need basically to run a lot of the games. It's a really important tool that you need to have on your computer. So make sure you install this tool, and also install DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Click on download, and if that didn't work and you still have problems, you also probably have to install the official manufacturer of your own machine. So you have to install for MD users. Click on download. This will install the latest drivers for you. For NVIDIA users, this will install the latest driver for you. I have GeForce Experience because I have a graphic card, NVIDIA graphic card. So here if you click on drivers and then you click on check for updates, here you see download. Click on download and you install the latest update. Okay, that's perfect. Now for Intel users, this tool is very important as well. And you can also go to device manager, and here in device manager, here in you have display adapters. Make sure you right click and click on update and look for the latest drivers, and if that didn't work you can also go to update browse and let me pick, and here you should have the right driver, and you can test which one will work for you by just clicking on the next button. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's what I've done when I encountered this problem. So make sure you leave your results in the comment section and let me know which method worked for you, or if it worked, or if didn't. Leave your results and your comments, your thoughts in the comment section. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.